We're going thrifting again. This time I'm making sure I'm caffeinated and well fed before going.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
I made an orange pico milk tea and a bagel with bacon and cream cheese. So damn good. I basically walked in, blacked out, filled up the cart, but it was like, wait, I need to vlog for you guys. So now we're in the skirt section. I found this IMG skirt, kind of cute. I just didn't pick it up just because, oh my god, like IMG, I'm pretty sure it's fast fashion, right? But I'm just looking at it and it just doesn't look good quality. So I did not pick it up. But yeah, I can't remember what the hell I found here. Honestly, I think I vlogged this like a month ago. I'm catching up on my post. That's a cute skirt. What's the brand on here? I can't remember. You guys can probably pause and see that. I cannot. But yeah. Oh, that was kind of cute. It's got like grommets. Also didn't pick it up. Maybe I should have. And I was looking through the hats. This hat was so cute. I'm pretty sure I wore it within the week after buying it, styled an outfit, and it was so cute. I made like a plaid pleated skirt that also had like a similar color scheme. It was basically a denim skirt with like with the pleats that were plaid, if that makes sense. Anyways, here I found someone's putback stash. I actually didn't end up taking anything. I just thought like, oh, let me look through what they had. Wasn't really my style, so left it all behind. Then I looked through the CDs. We had some good ones here. We have an OC mix. And then what am I finding next? I'm finding, oh, wait for it. I thought I was going to get to it sooner. But yeah, we had a few good ones today. There we go, Michelle Branch. We found her. I feel like I found another CD, but I didn't show you guys. This Licenza top, cute as fuck. Guys, your girl is sweating. I took the bus home and then I walked the rest of the way. Whew, with those heavy bags. I took a few breaks, but here we are. Right now, there's a Simple Plan song playing, and then it got me thinking, I'm like, because they're a Canadian band, and sometimes Canadian stuff is known. We're back. And it's haul time. She's a beauty. We've got the zebra print going on and leopard print. And there's like purple in there. It's just the perfect top. I picked up this little nightie. And it's leopard print. So I could not pass it up. I picked up this Victoria's Secret top. These denim shorts. We'll see if this even fits me, but it's like this romper nightie situation. I got this really cute hat. We could try it on right now. Okay. I think my bangs are kind of stabbing my eyes. I have to trim my hair. I kind of want to do a glow up video soon. I will be cutting my hair. Every time I do a glow up video, I'm pretty sure every time, I'm cutting my own hair, and that's like a big part of it. Is it cute? Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love that it's plaid and it's got like glitter all around. Real cute. So yeah, we could totally do that. I feel like I need a glow up video. I need it. We're probably gonna do like press-ons, cut the hair, treat ourselves, get a glow up together. Now we got this corset. This is so cool. It reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. What else does it remind me of? No, yeah, just Alice in Wonderland. And I'd want to have like a tea party. And I want to host a tea party and I want to wear this corset. Are you kidding? With like the clock motifs, the flowers, like the flowers all around here. If anyone's curious about the brand, it's Forever 21. Twist. So I need to look into this tag. See when it's from what I have not seen this tag. This looks very fun, very interesting, so I want to know more about it. I got this kind of gold, kind of mustard dress. Here's the brand. I like to show you guys. I cannot just say, like, if someone asked me, which you guys aren't even asking me and whatever, but if someone asks me where something's from, it's always thrifted. But I don't want to just say it's thrifted because it's like boring and it feels like gatekeeping, and it's like, I feel like also when people ask where it's from, I think some people mean what's the brand. Like, maybe I'm wrong, but I just feel like that's what they expect is an answer, like thrifted, but the brand is blah, 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 you know? So I try to make sure to tell the brand, unless I don't know what it is. Yeah, but anyway, it's got this little jewel right there. It's really cute. I picked up a few skirts. I got this one. The brand is Topshop. I don't usually pick up brands like that. Just because, like, yeah, like, that's probably kind of a recent piece. But I think my sister's really going to love it because I got a similar skirt. Am I holding it backwards? No, that's the right way. Kind of looks like this should be the front. But the tag, the zipper is here. So, wait, is there... Guys, I swear I never realize when there's gaping holes in the stuff I buy. They're lucky I can sew. I mean, anyone can do it. I'm probably going to stitch it up by hand and just feel like it might be better that way. Or am I that lazy and I'm going to go on my machine? Yeah, I'm just going to do a little stitch right there. It's fine. Oh, I get it. This part. I don't know. It's like there's this tying part and there's a hole. So I'm actually just going to stitch it down maybe. Or I'll shut the hole then stitch it down. Actually, yeah, second option is what I'm going to do. Damn it, I didn't know. But anyways, I feel like my sister would love that skirt. Oh my god, I kind of have a trapped sneeze going on right now. Anyways. Then we have this skirt. It's called, like, butterflies on it. And flowers. I just couldn't pass it up because of the butterflies. I love butterflies. I got these pants from La Senza. It's their old tag. Just like a little nightwear. I feel like I actually did get a lot of PJ related items. Another butterfly top. I feel like this would also be worn to go to bed, to be honest. And then this top, also from La Senza. I love this so much. Oh my god. The colors, are you kidding? Like pink and orange with some yellow in there. White and black. I love it. This is so beautiful. Yeah, I got a lot of PJs. Wait, why did I do that? I don't know. I never realize what I buy until after I buy it and I do the haul and I'm like, oh, that's what I got. It's so fun. Because you forget. You forget what you buy. You black out because this is how it goes. And then that's how it goes. Okay, so then you might be thinking, what the hell? This is not even clothing. This would be so cute layered over a skirt. You get the vision? You could layer it. I'll have to see if it works past me just saying it could be cute. Like I can't formulate a sentence properly. Then PJ romper situation, Victoria's Secret pink. I have like a top that is so similar. It's like kind of like this and it's a Christmas one, but yeah, like minus the shorts, it's very similar to that. Don't even, okay, I know, so many nightwear pieces, I know. But the thing is, wear a slip, wear it to bed, wake up, put a cute jacket on, and go about your day. Go about your day. It's cute. Think about it. If it's so normalized to wear sweatpants, this is cute, this is beautiful, you know? Like, you can wear it out. Wake up, go get coffee in your nightgown. And then I got this skirt. I just love the floral prints. I almost feel like if Flora from Wings Club, if she was like, if they had like an alternate, no, that doesn't work. I don't know, just in an alternate universe, if she was a human, I just feel like she would wear this. And then we got these jeans from the brand 7. I really don't know how to show the stuff to you guys properly. And then we have these Hollister jeans. Another pair of 7 jeans. I like that the button is like diamondy. And these jeans, I don't know what this brand is. Let me look at this tag. Wow, this is so cute. I'll show you guys the tag. Pretty. Now, literally yesterday, I also picked up a George Walmart piece. And this is the second one. Yesterday was a pair of denim shorts. Today it's these jeans. They also have this little zipper detailing at the bottom. They're low-waisted. Honestly, like, they're upcyclable also. You know, I could zhuzh them up a little, make them more interesting. Then we got this red scarf with beads. There's just so much you could do with this. You could wear it around the neck as a scarf. You can wear, like, you could layer it over if you're wearing, like, skirt, shorts, like, whatever you're wearing. You could layer it over and kind of drape it. You could wear it as a belt. You could, like, wear it as a top. If it's sheer, though, make sure you think about that and have some kind of fabric underneath. But, like, there's just so many options, you know? Yeah, this is not like how to style a scarf tutorial, but we could do that. We could do a summer styling video, and I'll show you guys the main thing for me for summertime for styling. Get your accessories on, because most likely you're not wearing clothes really because it's hot. So you have to spice up your outfit in different ways, and how I do that is jewelry and just accessories, any of them, but mainly scarves. Scarves. I'll wear 3 scarves at a time, all serving a different purpose. So that could totally be a video. I didn't show you guys the CDs I got, but you guys saw them in the store. Michelle Branch and the OC. I also got this Victoria's Secret bag. My sister needs big bags because she's gonna be going to university next year. So I'm thinking this should be big enough to fit all her things. Yeah, hopefully she's grateful for it. So that was everything. Now what we're gonna do is the try on montage. I'm not trying everything on. We're just gonna try a few pieces. But if it's your guys' first time watching me, I post a lot of thrift hauls. I have a playlist for it. So if you wanna check out that playlist, binge, watch, go ahead. I also post other videos besides thrifting videos, obviously. I post a lot of vlogs, like 2000s day in my life vlog, whatever. So if you're interested, check out my channel, subscribe, drop a like. So yeah, cue the montage.